Welcome to Future Flow Factory, where raw earth is transformed into pure value. Behind layers of advanced security, one of the world's most valuable processes begins. Pure 24-karat gold, refined to absolute perfection. Every journey begins with raw material, delivered in massive volumes, straight from the earth. Deep underground, powerful machines extract the ore, the first step in the transformation of gold. Massive loads of raw ore begin their journey, transported across rugged terrain toward the refinery. At the plant, raw stone meets raw force, crushed into smaller fragments for processing. The material moves forward through the system, carried by an endless industrial flow. Here, chemistry takes over. Gold begins separating from surrounding minerals. Microscopic gold particles rise to the surface, drawn upward through flotation. The concentrated material is collected, then dried under intense industrial heat. What remains looks ordinary, but it holds immense hidden value.
Now comes extreme heat. The smelting process begins.
consumption spiked here at 0400 hours.
Yes, but the output metrics remain stable. The calibration cycle completed as projected.
We are fully optimized.
In every bar, perfection is achieved, refined to the highest standard. The factory never stops, operating day and night without pause. Sustainability remains essential. Emissions are carefully controlled.
Water systems are recycled continuously, reducing environmental impact.
Constant innovation drives efficiency, refining the process even further.
The cycle continues. Gold flows endlessly through the system. A final product of absolute precision. Pure, refined, and flawless. A vast operation at full scale, powering the production of global value.
From darkness to brilliance. A transformation shaped by industry.
Precision drives every movement. Perfectly synchronized systems at work. Behind every process stands human expertise, driving the system forward.
Beyond industry, gold becomes art, shaped into timeless beauty.
Fire leaves its mark, reflected in every finished surface.
The final flow continues, moving toward completion.
From raw earth to refined perfection. Thank you for watching Future Flow Factory.